Hey there, it's Meta Madam here with just a little quick tip video. That sounds weird. Quick video to give you a tip just for a second about selling and buying Farmers World wood as the market fluctuates. So what I have here on my screen, you can see I've got two orders in the queue. I've got a buy order and a sell order. So what I'm going to try here is sell my Farmers World wood while it's high and then put a buy order in for when it goes back down. So in theory, I should be able to set up these transactions almost like a limit order if you are into the stock market at all. So, and then that's really what this is. It's a market. So I have the sell order in now, hoping that goes through shortly. And then I have a buy order for when it gets back down, or if it gets back down to 0.12, which is very possible. You can see the low point. I think this is, when was that? A few days ago was, it got down to 0.10. So hoping to sell high, buy low. I will keep you posted on how that ends up turning out for me. But the good thing with Alcor, and the reason I wanted to jump on here, was to show that you can put in both sides of the order. You don't have to track it, fully. Like you can see my sell order just went through. So I sold my Farmers World wood tokens, and now we will have this buy order already in there. So I don't even have to be here to watch the market. So as soon as it gets this low, it should trigger this buy order, and then I can set the two transactions again for when it continues to fluctuate. So ideally, again, this will make a little bit. I'll buy high or buy low, sell high. So stay tuned for a progress report probably within the next few days. Obviously, this was shown using the Farmers World wood tokens, but this system rings true for any of the tokens available on Alcor. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the next update.